Helmsman trawlers are well built from the keel up. We are highlighting in a series of short videos some of the features and construction methods that distinguish these finely crafted boats. In this episode, we're looking at engine rooms. While our engine rooms vary considerably between the 31 and the 46 model, and some of the things we're looking at pertain specifically to the 37 model and larger, the general objectives and features that make our engine rooms so attractive extend across our line. Not everyone shares the same enthusiasm for time spent in the engine room. Some refer to it as the holy place, others as simply down there. But a clean, well-lit engine room that is not uncomfortable to be in, and that makes maintenance and regular operational checks more pleasant, will greatly enhance the enjoyment of boat ownership. With pride and clear intent, we give priority to working space, which frankly could be used for other purposes, as some boat builders do. Fiberglass deck plates make movement easy. Cutouts for valves and strainers simplify operation. Cable trays and purpose-built cable runs from the engine room upward make the addition of electronics and other equipment easier. Valves are labeled, and the vitally important propeller shaft seal is readily assessed through an inspection window. Here's a complete 360 of the engine room on a 4-year-old Helmsman Trawlers 38 pilothouse. You can see how well lit. Tool storage bench, fuel filtration, diesel-fired forced air furnace system, engine room access ladder to the pilothouse, Cummins QSB 6.7-liter diesel engine, access door from the dayhead, navigational electronics mounted on the forward bulkhead, furnace ducting, and the electrical terminations panel. I'm sure you're leaving that tour just as clean as when you entered.